Yo, I swear I just saw ducking out that tree. Bruh. Oh, run! Run!
Boy, what is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, I am back here in under a month, which is a big accomplishment for myself because I am trying to get better at uploading, guys. But today, I'm about to hit y'all with them late Halloween vibes. And I'm gonna be very honest with y'all. I was not gonna upload this video because I wasn't digging it. But Matt, the one who edits my videos, he killed it, guys. He made it happen for y'all, guys. He found a lot of creepy stuff that we didn't hear while filming the video, and he found a lot of funny stuff, which I kind of dig, which I kind of want to show y'all. So we ended up going to the Donkey Lady Bridge, guys, which is a very known folktale here in San Antonio. So I gathered up a couple of my buddies, which we decided to go 2 nights. One was Sophia, Chris, and Matt, the editor, who, upon editing, we did find some creepy stuff. And then the second night, it was all of us together, which we found more creepy stuff. But if you want to know what the Donkey Lady Bridge is, guys, let me give y'all a brief rundown before the video actually starts.
They call it the Donkey Lady Bridge because legends say she lived in these woods with her husband and children. Her husband set a fire, killing her children, and she became disfigured in the fire. Due to the fire, her fingers and toes became hoof-like. Her head burned, and once healed, it became elongated to the point it resembled that of a donkey. It is said that she roams the bridge in the south side of San Antonio crying for her children, and will chase off anyone who wakes her. Another legend says that a woman would be seen walking her donkey along the side of the road to the fields, and a boy claimed that the donkey bit him. His father and other friends came up with a plan to grab the donkey's rope next time the woman took it on a walk. They all waited in the woods, jumped out as the woman walked by, and grabbed the rope the donkey was tied to by the woman. As they were grabbing the rope, the donkey accidentally fell into the stream and drowned. As the men walked away, the woman began throwing rocks at them, but the guys quickly grabbed the woman and also threw her in the creek, also drowning her. People say her spirit still roams around the bridge, and is said to have scary eyes and screams, and becomes angry anytime someone tries to bother her.
So guys, before the video actually starts, I want y'all to have a very open mind while watching this, because we are not professional ghost hunters. You know, we don't have that fancy equipment. This is just stuff we came across that was kind of creepy while we were editing. So y'all enjoy.
All right, Matt, let's go.
Did you hear that? Oh, I got shadow look.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. We were
Run for your life!
You
heard something, right?
Yeah.
Yo, I dead ass got scared of my shadow because it was like this, and I was like, what is that? And I went like this.
But then when you said that, I looked up and saw it, and I got scared too.
If I see
makes it a
something, I
little bit
swear I'm
easier.
Jen and I ain't even saying anything. I'm just gonna take off. I swear, fingers are freezing.
Yeah, it's way colder over here than it is over there. I just want to put that out there now. That's how you do, fighting off ghosts,
Yep.
fighting off demons.
Where's your flashlight, Matt?
Oh no, I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. Yo, I know y'all heard that.
What?
Huh? You didn't hear that?
No. I heard it, bro. I heard it, man.
Yo.
Let's go back.
Hell no. Hey.
Investigate. But were we the Honda crew?
Hey, y'all can be part of the Honda crew. I drive a Mitsubishi.
Another check. You heard it?
Yeah, bro.
Another check.
I drive a Mitsubishi. No, black people don't check it the second time. You hear it one time and you out. That's it. That's what you get.
Let's go.
Diary entry number 305. Hearing sounds out here. Kinda creepy. Javier, if I die out here, make sure that my car goes to my son. Make sure my sons are taken care of. And delete my browser history, please. Yeah, at first I thought it was like a train or something. No, that's our shadow, bro.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
You're scary. I need Hey, man, are you alright there?
Bro, that's exactly how about that, like, whatever that was. I swear. Did you just start crying, bro? Hey, let's go, bro.
You're scared. So I guess I'm back after 7 years. Let's go. Wait, hold him up, hold him up, hold him up. Here. Hold it.
I want a big one. I want a big one.
I can prepare.
Oh no, I don't want
Paranormal activity.
I thought it was a plane.
Hey, Jesse almost got his ass beat, bro. Almost with that ass.
I gotta forget out.
That was the original road.
I heard the from over there.
There's no ghost in here.
No, that sounded more like an owl.
Matt, I swear, like a mist comes out again, dude, on the second night, dude. I want to leave you here, Matt. You're not going home with me, dude.
No.
See, like, this is the trail where, like, we saw a little girl.
Oh, man.
Like, the last time I came to, and the girl was like, don't get in. Like, she was riding her bike. I was like, dude, I'm cold. All right, I don't want to die tonight. Hey, all I'm saying is that whoever's watching it, y'all better hit the like button, because, I got kids. I got to go back to them, too, okay? Mom, you could keep the TV. Magali, keep the MacBook Pro. But what was it again, Chris? What?
Your browser history?
Yeah, delete that. Delete that, okay?
I got you, bro. But you gotta delete mine too in case I don't make it back.
Don't worry.
Or if we both die, one of y'all do this shit.
Bro, why does it feel like a hard presence behind us, dude? I am. If you want to come out or make a noise, please do it right now. I need content. Man, that's up, dude. She helped me all the damn time when I was younger, dude. Now that I need her, she don't want to be coming out. Oh, why did I feel like someone was walking next to me?
No, stop it!
Like that's the trail we went down yesterday.
You want to walk down there or what? See, because that's a tree back then where I used to say no witchcraft back in the days, dude. Like, it was like a white board. Yeah, like that specific tree right there.
I like how we said we wasn't gonna walk this road and then started walking this road.
Bro, golly, dude. I swear I have like a vibe that someone's next to me, dude.
Oh, that's all you, man.
Only come.
Pull my pocket, dude.
Well, once again, it's a bad idea. It's cold out here with shorts. I need the noise or something, bro.
Ooh, hold on, bro. Yo, I swear I just saw ducking that tree. Bruh.
I need to stop. Jesse, let's stop and see what we can do here. Something, right? What? Like, let's stop our footsteps. Damn it! I was trying to fart. Damn it! It come out. It was perfect. Damn it!
All right, let's see if we can make it all the way back without the lights. It's not too far. Hell yeah, it is. No, it's
I
not.
don't think I want to do that either.
Off. Lights off. Just.
Bro, what? Oh my God!
All right, we're all gonna race there.
No!
Wait, yeah. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hey, I'm the one in the back. Y'all better run. That was on Tinder. Run the Run!
Turn off that.
Turn on the damn light. Who has cookies?
Fudge stripes.
Cookies.
They're mine.
What? Why off, bro?
$1 a cookie.
Y'all tripping.
There, we're never across the street.
There's a real back there fighting for cookies.
I saw something. I saw something on the bridge.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, I saw the big wall right there. Right there. Right there where you point the flashlight.
Where?
Right
Go
there,
look
right there,
first.
right there.
Go look. Go look first.
It's a white triangle.
What are you talking about?
Where, bro?
I saw it.
That's a tree.
No, it was right here on the bridge.
Go point it out for me.
Alright, everybody stop. We'll point it out.
Where? Nah, what did I choose? He just jumps and gets a feel of you.
Where it was.
Ready? We gotta take off. We gotta take off. Let's take off. We're gonna run. Oh, run! 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 It's all. Run away!
Run for your life! Run for your life!
Hey, Matt really ran, dude.
So guys, that wraps up the end of this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you like this video, you want me to keep on doing these haunted, creepy videos, please hit the thumbs up, guys, because I got some creepy places I want to go visit. But do I believe something's in there? Yes, I do, because throughout the whole filming process, we felt this ugly presence. But everybody has their own opinion, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Laters.